Boy!
What the hell is it? Look. Casey has a speed 3. He knows it's an art.
Alright.
Can I get my keys?
Alright, we're doing something different today, guys. That's Zach, but this is not Zach filming. Got here what year is this?
87.
An 87 mint ass RX7.
About to bake a boy.
Look at that dried nut. Got some evil M action going on.
Spray paint.
We got a full custom interior. Spray painted red. You can see the overspray. Whoever owned the car beforehand shit themselves on the way home from getting it. Very quality dash. Because like, I don't even know what the fuck that is. What the hell is this?
Hey. That does the headlights. The headlights just went up.
Really?
Yeah, put them down.
Oh. Oh shit. Wait,
down.
how? Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
Nice, yeah, that's quality. Got some seat belts.
Oh shit.
Taking the hood off, brother.
Hold on. Wait, we got a carbon fiber. Oh, it opens.
Carbon fiber rust panel.
I think these are one piece with bolts in them. Yeah, look at that.
Connect them. That's right. And an Allen wrench. There.
Oh, what is this? Zach, what'd you buy?
I bought a piece.
You're not allowed to buy cars anymore without us seeing it.
Your battery's named Max.
Oh, hey Max.
Okay. Probably airbox, radiator, release the paint. Good.
That.